Filariasis, a neglected tropical disease caused by roundworms, is a significant public health concern in many tropical countries. We developed an AI model that detects filaria species to assist clinicians in diagnosis, and now you can use it with HuggingSpot. Download the app on the Play Store. Find SpotLab's filarias model in Hugging Face. Copy the URL and paste it in HuggingSpot. The app downloads the filaria detection model. Set up microscope adapter. Now you have the filaria detection model running locally in your phone. The model detects 4 filaria species at 10x and 40x. And it works offline. Try the app now.